SAP Bases. This chapter explains the following topics: the role of a bases administrator, tasks related to SAP Bases administration, and categorization of SAP administrative tasks. We can subdivide the roles of a SAP Bases consultant into the following categories: server administrator, interface analyst, solution specialist, system architect, network administrator, transport administrator, batch administrator, database administrator, security specialist, ABAP specialist, DDIC manager, OS administrator, SAP DBA, system administrator. Roles of a SAP Bases consultant. The following illustration depicts the typical roles performed by a SAP Bases consultant. Tasks performed under different roles. We can further categorize the tasks performed under different roles. System architect. Sizing SAP systems, design SAP landscape. Transport administrator. Change control across SAP landscape. Batch administrator. Create and manage batch jobs across landscape. Security specialist. Design, monitor, and manage access to SAP landscape. ABAP specialist. Troubleshoot and tune ABAP programs, apply correction to program. DDIC manager. Manage changes to SAP data dictionary. SAP DBA. Manage integrity of SAP database objects. Manage backups and restore. System administrator. Maintain system health, monitor and tune system performance. Interface analyst. Analyze and monitor interfaces within SAP landscape. Solution specialist. Installation of AP add-on, migrate OSDB, upgrade SAP version, archiving of SAP data. SAP Bases administration tasks. SAP Bases administration tasks can be further categorized as follows. SAP administration. Starting and stopping SAP instances. User administration, setup and maintenance. Authorization role profiles, setup and maintenance. Setup SAP security. Maintenance of systems health. Monitor system performance and logs. Spool and print administration. Maintain system landscape. Transport management systems. Manage change requests. Create manage batch jobs. Backup schedule, run, and monitor backup of SAP. Apply patches, kernel, and OSS notes. Database administration. Database space management. Database backup. Database recovery. Database log, redo log, archive log, management. Database performance tunings. Operation system administration. Operation system security. Operation system performance tuning. OS space management. OS level background job management. OS level backup and recovery. Overall system monitoring. Monitoring R/3 servers and instances. Monitoring users and authorizations. Monitoring security part. Monitoring workload analysis. Monitoring processes. Monitoring buffers. Monitoring operating system. Monitoring database. Monitoring backups. SAP administrators frequently use transactions. SM04L08 user list. SM51 display application server. SM37 background job overview. SM50 SM66 manage work processes. SM12 mange lock entries. PFCG maintain roles. SM13 manage update records. SM21 analyze system log. SM0 to send system messages.